Hello, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we are going to be doing the makeup for the medieval poison ivy cosplay. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first thing to do before putting makeup on my skin is to prep the skin. For this, I will wash my face with just plain old water from the sink. Then, I will be putting on sunscreen to protect my face from the sun, and as a kind of primer as well. I will be using Copper Tone Oil Free and Shine Control Face at 45 SPF. I got this at Walmart for about $4. I will simply be spreading this all over my face except on my eyelids, as this is not meant for the eyes. The next step is concealer. I am using my concealer as my foundation as well as my concealer, as I could not find one that was pale enough to make me look paler. I am using CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain. I got this from Walmart for about $8. I will apply this by dabbing the wand over where I want the makeup to cover. Then taking a blending brush, I blend this out until you cannot see either the blemishes I am trying to hide or any kind of lines. Next, I will use a setting spray over all of this. I am using Hard Candy's Long Wear setting spray that I got from Walmart for about $7. Now I will move on to my eyes, including the eyebrows and the nose. I'm going to start by going over my entire lid and above my crease line with this sparkly white shadow. I am not sure where I got it from. I will then place my first layer of mascara on the upper lashes. I am using CoverGirl's Professional 3-in-1 Hydrofuge, which I got at Walmart. I'm not sure how much it cost. Then I will take this light green eyeshadow called Protect from this palette called Wilderness Explorer from Profusion Cosmetics. I got this from Walmart for about $5. I will take this over my crease line, then I will pull it around and under my eye as well. I will blend this out to create shadow. I will also take this down the side of my nose and blend that out as well. The goal is to look very fae-like. I will then add a thin line of green eyeliner on the upper lid. I am using Stylo UX Waterproof from Chanel. I'm not sure where I got this from. Next, I'll take this greenish shadow called Forest from the same palette as before and use it to color the outer corners of my eyes, creating more shadow and then blending it out almost completely. I will also add this to the nose. I will then add a second layer of mascara here. Then I will take the color Uninhabited from the palette and begin to shape the eyebrows. Next, I'll put on the fake lashes. I'm using the bottom set of lashes from this set called 1000 Volt from Profusion Cosmetics. I got these from Walmart for about $10. I start by putting the glue on the lash and waiting about a minute to let the glue get tacky. Then I will place it as close to the lash line as I can. Then I will add a finer layer of mascara on both the upper lashes, just where my own lashes are, and then on the lower lashes as well. Now I will work on the cheeks and forehead. I will begin by using the eyeshadow called Adventure from the palette earlier. I will put this down the sides of my cheeks and then around my forehead. I will then blend this all out, creating the shape I want on my face. Then I will use the color Wilderness along the edges of the forehead, blending it out, adding sparkles. I will also add a little bit to my nose off camera. This is a very strong trust the process look, but it will all work out in the end. I will then add a little blush to put color back in the cheeks. I will be using LA Colors in the shade Pink Satin, which I got from the Dollar Tree. I will place it above the green and blend it out to add that color back to the cheeks. Finally, I will do the lips. First, I will line my lips with the green eyeliner from earlier. Then, I will take this very light green liquid eyeshadow from NYX called Watermelon Wealth, which I got from Walmart for about $11, and then cover in and fill in my lips. Then, I will blend it out so that it looks beautiful and smooth. After all that, I will use the setting spray and set this in place. Congratulations, you now have the finished makeup look for the medieval Poison Ivy. Here's what it looks like with the completed costume and hair. If you would like to see how I made the dress, accessories, or how I styled the hair, check out the medieval Poison Ivy playlist on my channel. Now that you have the makeup, you have completed the medieval Poison Ivy cosplay. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!